Um, yes, I think my screen is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Thank you, thank you. Yes. My dears, it is very interesting chapter. Human environment. What do you mean by human environment? Can any one of you tell me? Even in chat box, you can say. I'll look after. What do you mean by human environment? Yes. Can any one of you tell me?
Yes, ma'am. Can I, ma'am?
Yes, dear. Tell me.
Ma'am, human environment means it was
Mm.
considered with the human beings and with the animals like that, ma'am.
Yes, human environment means the people where we can survive, okay, where the human beings can survive. In the first chapter, I think we have studied about human environment, human made environment, and natural environment, okay. So, human environment means we are making ourselves to be comfortable in a place for our survival. Okay, we cannot live in a desert, isn't it? Because it is very difficult for our survival. Similarly, human environment means the place where we can survive. Okay, that is we are going to see here a short story. I think many of you already know about wildlife photographer. What do you mean by that? You have come across in so many movies and everywhere.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, they will travel
Ma'am,
each and every country, every place, ma'am, and they take the photos, ma'am.
Yes,
Photos of
that's
the
good.
wildlife, ma'am.
Photos of the wildlife means what do you mean by wildlife, my dear?
Animals, ma'am. Animals,
Animals, wild only that.
wild animals, which
Ah,
was in forest, desert, like that in
very good.
each and every
Very
space,
good.
ma'am.
Are not only wildlife, but also we will concentrate on forest area, trees, and everything. Okay. The life
Your
of
voice is not audible, ma'am.
yes. Oh, wait a minute. Is it audible right now? Okay. They used to travel
Jai
many
Gurudev.
deserts. Yes, yes, Jai Gurudev. They used to travel many places and they used to take photographies of the wildlife, including flora and fauna. Okay. Similarly, Renuka, it's a short story, dear. Renuka, she's a girl like in your age, and Shrikant, he's the uncle of her, and he is a wildlife photographer. He was taken many pictures of the people of the various people of the world, and he has shown to her, and she is keep on asking, which means we are all humans, but we are all not living in a same way. The way of living that differs from place to place. In this picture, that is what given. See, at the mid center there are dark people, those people who are how do you call those people? Can you guess where they live?
In Africa.
Yes, not only in Africa, in tribal people, in forest areas,
Yes,
you could
ma'am.
see such kind of people. Okay,
Art
similarly,
was.
you could see with people with coach suit and who is wearing cap, scarves, and those people will be living in a place where there is snowy area and such kind of area. So, according to the climatic condition, according to the location of the place on earth, the way of living of the people that differs. They are not, everybody is not living the same way of life. Okay, that is what this picture shows, depicts you. And similarly, the same thing explained in this paragraph too. The girl who's called Renuka, she just excited about the various people, and she came to know about rainforest and how does it is called so. Okay, and the next is about different areas like plains, like our India, our India is mostly covered with plains, so only we can able to do agriculture. 75% of agriculture can be done only in India because we are having that much of plains. Plains is nothing but the areas around rivers, okay, where you can do farming, where you can do agriculture, okay, because the water, the soil is so fertile because of the water is flowing all around. Since India is peninsula, okay, which is surrounded by water three sides and one side is land. Okay, all these terms you come to know, isn't it? So based on the picture, the nature, everything that differs, okay, the people, most of the people, they live closer to nature in early days, okay, they learn how to catch fish, how to collect materials from the forest, all these things learned by the people those who are living in forest. You would have come across Amazon rainforest, okay, lot of things you have come to know about that forest. So here we are going to see about two areas. One is Ganga Brahmaputra Basin in India and Amazon rainforest in South America. These two places only we are going to see about, my dears, in this chapter. And see, life in the Amazon basin. So why, ma'am, we are calling it as basin? What does it mean? Means the area that is covered, okay, by that particular that is called as basin. Okay, the area that is covered largely in our continent means that is called as basin. So where does it lies? Firstly, you wanted to know where it lies. Okay, you could see this map here. Okay, you just see where Amazon map is. Yes, it is near to the equator. See here, it is near to the equator. 0 degree you could see in your left side of your map, isn't it? That 0 degree shows that it is equator. So near to the equator it lies in the South America. Okay, so it is surrounded by Brazil, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, and these are the French Guiana, and these are the places that surrounds Amazon basin. This greenish area refers Amazon River as well as Amazon rainforest. And second thing you wanted to know, and this is a very big, and this is the rainforest that covers large area in our continent. Second thing, the next one is, you know very well, around 3 lakh people are living in this forest area. Okay, so nowadays it is becoming they are depleting. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can I ask ma'am Lakshana?
Yes, yes, Lakshana, tell me.
Ma'am, whether Amazon basin, people who live, they will be tribals only, ma'am, or
Exactly. This means nothing but they were not aware of our our changes that is happening, our developments, okay, which we are saying it as technological development and everything. They will live closer to the nature. That is what I stressed at that point. They will live closer to the nature and they will be with the nature, living with the nature. Okay, so those people never wanted to live that forest area for the development of technology, but nowadays the people have constructed a lot of roadways inside the forest, so that only we can see Discovery channels and National Geographic channels. We can see about Amazon rainforest and we can get into that forest and we are viewing a lot of things. You just imagine how that wildlife photographer get into that forest. So there is a roadway. They have constructed that roadway. Last chapter we have seen, no, the forest area was covered by roadway. Okay, that only main drawback, so that the forest area is becoming very less. Okay, that is what here given. And as you know, Amazon river is the very large river that is flowing across the entire area of this Amazon basin. Okay, as you know, lot of mysteries are there in Amazon rainforest. Okay, simply even unnamed birds and animals are living there. Still now we cannot name that birds and animals. That is very peculiar fauna is there, and peculiar flora, that is plants also there. Yeah, exactly. And we are having lot of medicinal value plants and everything inside that forest. And one more thing, and this forest is located in equator. Okay, it is in subtropical region. It is not exactly in tropical region. Okay, it is in subtropical region. Okay, you know, equator, tropical region, and then only you could see at last you could see frigid zone, isn't it? So tropic of cancer is an tropic of cancer, tropic of capricorn, just to recall all those things. Okay, where it lies, about the tropic of cancer or tropic of capricorn? See the map and tell me where about
Capricorn.
tropic of
Capricorn.
Capricorn is that
Capricorn.
good, very good, very good, that's fine. Okay, that is the side of southern hemisphere. Okay, it is lying in southern hemisphere. Okay, we are living in which hemisphere?
Ma'am, in northern
Northern
hemisphere, ma'am.
Northern hemisphere.
Northern.
That's good, that's good. So we are living in northern hemisphere, and we are living in and also tropic of cancer. Okay, near to the tropic of cancer we are, exactly, because tropic of cancer crosses our India. Okay, the states, which are all the states that are lying in tropic of cancer? Can you name 2 or 3 states that are lying in tropic of cancer in India? Yes.
Ma'am, can I, ma'am, Lakshana?
Yes,
Ma'am.
others. Yes.
I'm Shankara, ma'am.
Yes, Shankar Ram, tell me.
I'm Jammu and Kashmir.
No, I'm saying exactly in tropic of cancer. Okay, exactly like
Madhya Pradesh.
yes.
Madhya Pradesh, ma'am.
Pradesh.
Here?
Ma'am, Andhra Pradesh.
No.
I'm Chhattisgarh, ma'am.
Ma'am, Madhya Pradesh, ma'am.
Can you say,
That's
can
good.
you say the question again?
Kerala.
No,
Gujarat. Uttar Pradesh.
Gujarat, you just take India map at the end of the session. You just take India map and see what are the states that are lying in tropic of cancer in India. Go through it. Next session, I will ask you. Okay.
Ma'am, West Bengal. Ma'am.
Okay. Keep this map in. Yes, that's fine. West Bengal, that's good. And others, everybody, just take the map and go through it at the last. Okay, at the end of the session or by today. Next session, I will ask you. Okay, let us see here, my dears. You just calculate. It is about to 10 degrees south and below to 10 degree north. Okay, it is lying near to the equator. No, you just see in the left hand side 10 degree north. It's south is 10 degrees south. So this is the location of Amazon basin. Okay, let us go into this graph. Yes.
Ma'am, can I say,
Yes.
ma'am, Lakshana? Ma'am,
Lakshana,
tropic
please.
of cancer.
Yes, Lakshana. Thank you.
Madhya
That's good.
Pradesh.
Yes, that's good, Lakshana. I heard what you said. That's good. Okay. We shall go into the
Okay.
chapter. At last, we'll discuss about it. Okay. Just keep this map in mind, my dears. So what is the exact location in our globe means 10 degree north and 10 degree south. Okay, it is between 10 degree north and 10 degree south. You see top, you could see 10 degree. Below, you could see next to 0 degree, you could see 10 degrees south. So this is the location of the Amazon basin. This is what given in this paragraph, my dears. You just see. Okay, it is between 10 degree north and 10 degrees south. So it is referred as equatorial region. So Amazon river flows through this region, and it just reaches to the Atlantic Ocean at the east. Okay, you can see here the eastern side, that is right hand side, you can see it is Atlantic Ocean. So see here, Atlantic Ocean, right hand side, left hand side it is there Pacific Ocean. So this river that reaches to the Atlantic Ocean in the eastern side. In this map it is right hand side given. So these are the things that is given here. Okay, and this river flows to the another. Okay, this river flow is called to the another body of water is called as river's mouth. Okay, so the where it starts from flowing and where it ends, that is called as the beginning area of this river is called as river mouth. Okay, so numerous tributaries. What do you mean by tributaries? Means it's nothing but these are the small rivers, the branches of the main river. Yeah, exactly. The branches of the main river is called tributaries, and Amazon basin is the largest river basin in the world. Okay, in India we could say Sundarban. Okay, yes, yes,
Can
Shankar.
I tell that
Nile River.
topic of cancer, ma'am? You told
Let
one
me
question, no, ma'am.
let complete Shankaram. At last, I will ask you. You just answer. Okay, that is the extra
Yeah.
question I asked. Let us complete.
Can
Okay.
I type in chat box, ma'am?
Uh,
Ma'am, I took my mother's. Ma'am,
please
I
mute.
took my mother's map, ma'am, and
Okay.
I.
Very good. Very good. Keep it with you. You just go through whenever I'm saying. That will be very useful.
Can I tell?
And let us move to the next thing. So, what are all the places that it covers? Okay, the river basin drains the portions of Brazil, parts of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and small part of Venezuela. And these are the countries which the equator passed through. All these places are given here in this map itself. Okay, this is what the location of Amazon basin. Okay, and how does the life and the climatic
Ma'am,
condition
I
of the
can't
place?
see your screen, ma'am.
Please kindly go back and get into the screen so that it will be visible. Okay. So what is the climatic condition of this basin means? Here it stretches directly to the equator. You know very well, the sunlight directly falls on the equator. Okay. So usually equator will be having very hot climate. Okay. Similarly, Amazon basin also having very hot climate in the daytime as well as very cold climate in the um, night time. Okay, so hot and wet climate throughout the year, it is keep on swinging here and there. Okay, we may not guess the climatic condition of Amazon rainforest. It may keep on varying. Okay, we cannot guess at this time the rain may cause, it automatically rain immediately, so we cannot guess the weather condition of Amazon rainforest. And also it is very dense forest. Okay, we know very well rainforest means it will be very dense, that is very it will be very thickest one. Okay, sunlight may not directly falls onto the forest. Okay, that is also the main important thing why does the rain causes there. And
Can I
science
say, ma'am?
every day. Okay, that too without much warning. Even warning means which means we cannot forecast the weather of Amazon rainforest. And the day temperature is very high, and it's very humid also. So which means nothing but humid means you know very well, very moisturized climate. It will be very moisture. It is filled with moisture. Okay, because there are much trees and very dense snow. Even though the sun rays directly falls on the surface of the earth, it may not reach to the portion of the forest directly. Okay, because of
So
dense.
that only there were more climbers, ma'am. Climbers.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So, and also humidity is high. If rain falls, automatically the humidity, that is the moisture, irapadam, that will be always, it will be high if the rain falls. Okay. That is the climatic condition of this Amazon rainforest. And what kind of birds and animals are there, and what kind of living of humans are there means you just it's simply like this. Okay, even on the layers of the stem also a kind of plants and fungus will be keep on growing because of the humid climate. Okay, so as it rains heavily in this region, the thick forest that grows, you know, if the water means automatically the dense forest will automatically keep on growing. So the roof created the on the stem, a roof will be created by the leaves, and the branches does not allow the sunlight to reach to the ground. ground of the forest. The ground remains dark and damp. So, which means it will be very dark. Even in the daytime, we have to use, apart from sunlight, we are supposed to use some kind of torchlight or anything else to go into that forest. We cannot find a way, okay, to the start point and end point. We cannot even come out. Even in Discovery and National Geographic channels, they are showing a lot of things inside the forest, in Amazon rainforest, but they are not going across to all the parts of that forest. Okay, it is not possible because once it becoming denser and denser, automatically we cannot come back again to the area. So you would have seen, they would have shown something like light, or else they used to burn something and they used to show, and the helicopter will be reaching to that land and they will be picking up those guys. Okay, similarly that may happen because once they enter, they may not know how to come back to the outside of the forest. So what they will do means they will light up some kind of materials and they will show, and right from the sky they used to see a helicopter and they will pick up those guys. This is what happen if they get into that forest. Okay, because that much denser it is. Okay, even sunlight cannot go into it. And the only shade tolerant vegetation can grow here. What do you mean by shade tolerant? Means if a tree or a crops that can grow without sunlight, means that kind of crops can grow there. Okay, there are all kind of crops like paddy, wheat that we are growing in our country. No, those cannot be grown there because the sunlight is not available much. And arches and bromeliads as grow as plant parasites. Arches and bromeliads are nothing but, you could see in this picture. Okay, on the branches of the plant, a kind of leaves has grown. No, that is called as orchids and bromeliads. These are the kind of plants that grow on the branches of the plants. Okay, it's similar. It seems like fungi. Okay, and this is what called orchids and bromeliads. And this rainforest is rich in fauna. Fauna means animal life. Okay, already I told a kind of unnamed varieties of birds and animals are living there. And birds such as toucans. This is the bird called toucans. It is also living there. And hummingbirds and
I
birds
know.
of with their brilliantly colored birds also there. You could see colored frogs and colored birds also there. I already taught you when we
Blue
come across deserts. Yeah, exactly, my dear. Yeah, that's what we have already come across, the birds and animals which are living in rainforest. So that kind of birds and oversized bills and bills for eat. It is oversized bills. It has, that is the nose part we would say. That is what called. So in order to eat the food, and this also commonly we can see in India also few birds that are available there. And these birds also make loud sounds in the forest. And animals like monkeys, sloth, ant-eating tapirs are also living there. Sloth means that is lazy
ma'am,
animals. Okay.
tapirs,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, like that. That's fine. So anaconda and boa constrictor. This is a kind of also this is a kind of snake. Okay, boa constrictor is also a kind of snake that is poisonous as that is not as much poisonous as anaconda or cobra. Okay, that is simply less poisonous snake that is living in this forest areas. And lot of species we can see here. Fish, the special fish is called as piranha fish. Piranha fish is a fish that is flesh eating fish. Okay, that even eat if we people, if by mistake if we fallen into a river or bodies, means automatically that will even eat up us and also animals. Okay, that is
Ma'am,
a special.
ma'am,
Yeah,
Ma'am, but
rivers are, ma'am.
he,
Okay.
Yes, Vigneshwar, Anand, and Shankar Ram that can eat meat and flesh. Okay, any kind of animals and everything that will eat. Okay, and this basin is extraordinarily rich in variety of life found here. So this is tapir. Okay, anteating tapir, and here we come to know about few things about bromeliads. Bromeliads is a special plant that store water in their leaves. Okay, animals like frog used to take their pocket of water and lay their eggs there. So there's a kind of plant that used to grow on the leaves and branches of the very big trees. Okay, and you could have seen much of television documentaries about Amazon rainforest. Along with this chapter, if you see those things, means that will be very helpful for your learning about more about Amazon rainforest. So, ma'am, we have seen about plants and animals, but how about people? You said that 3 lakh, more than 3 lakh people are living.
Ma'am,
You have been muted, ma'am.
ma'am,
I muted myself. Sorry.
ma'am, you have been muted, ma'am.
Ma'am, you
Okay,
have
okay.
been muted, ma'am.
Yes. Mute yourself. So that's fine. And here, how people are living here is okay. That's what we are going to see here. Here, the fruits like pineapple, sweet potato will be cultivating, and hunting and fishing are the main source of living for the people. Those are living in Amazon rainforest, and the people. How does it name it? Name it as Amazon. Okay, it is a Spanish explorer. Okay, Roman Empire named this forest as Amazon. Okay, he only named this forest as Amazon. It's a the Spanish explorers only identified this rainforest. Okay, that is what given here. And let us come to the way of living of the people. Here they used to follow slash and burn agriculture. Okay, slash and burn agriculture. What does it mean? By slash, what
Somewhat
do you
cut,
mean
ma'am.
slash? Cutting, yes, cutting down as you know very well. Amazon rainforest is rich in trees. It will be very darker and denser trees are there. So what the people will do means they used to cut down the trees, deforest. They cut down the trees, and they just simply you just see this picture. They will cut down the trees in the first picture. The next picture automatically they will cultivate the crops, and at last after reaping that crops, what they will do means they will again go to the another land, and they will again cut down the trees. Okay. This will be happening in the frequent years. Okay, frequently in a year this will be keep on modifying. And will they do it in the same place means no, they won't cut and grow the crops in the same place. If they take a place for doing agriculture means for the next cultivation they will be moving to the some other place, and till then that previously occupied place will be covered with the trees. Okay, that is they left that place free for 6 months, and another after the other 6 months they will be moving to the next place, and they will be cutting down the trees and they will be doing agriculture there. Okay, are you clear with this slash and burn technique? Okay,
Yes,
should
ma'am.
I even I'll explain it in Tamil. What they will do means first அந்த நிலத்தை வந்து first cut பண்ணி trees cut பண்ணி அந்த இடத்த first burn பண்ணிடுவாங்க, so that அந்த soil இருக்கிற அந்த fertility வந்து அதை retain பண்றதுக்காக. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா again they used to cultivate the crops. அது cultivate பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் அதை reaping பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் அறுவடை செஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா அந்த இடத்த அப்படியே விட்டுருவாங்க. விட்டுட்டு இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு போய் அங்க இருக்கிற ட்ரீஸை கட் பண்ணி அங்க வந்து கல்டிவேஷன் பண்ணுவாங்க. So ஸோ அப்ப ஆல்ரெடி பண்ண இடம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த இடத்துல ட்ரீஸ் க்ரோ ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். திருப்பி என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா ஆஃப்டர் 6 months or 1 year திருப்பி அந்த ப்ரீவியஸ்லி இந்த இடத்துக்கு வந்து அங்க திருப்பி கட் பண்ணி, ஏன்னா சாயில் ஃபெர்டிலிட்டியை வந்து அவங்க திருப்பி ரிட்டைன் பண்றதுக்காக. ஒரே இடத்துல நம்ம கிராப்பை வந்து கல்டிவேட் பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தோம்னா அந்த இடத்துல சாயில் ஃபெர்டிலிட்டி நமக்கு குறைஞ்சிடும், நம்மளோட ப்ரொடக்ஷனும் குறைஞ்சிடும். ஸோ அதனால அல்டர்னேட்டிவா மாத்தி மாத்தி செய்வாங்க. நம்ம ஊர்லயே ஒரு அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் லேண்ட் இருக்குன்னா ஃபார் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 6 months we were used to cultivate some paddy like crops, and next 6 months we used to do like sugar cane அந்த மாதிரி crops நம்ம மாத்தி போடுவோம் according to the season. Okay, அதே மாதிரி தான் they used to do this slash and burn technique. Are you clear now? So the main main things are cash crops like coffee, maize and cocoa are the main crops that they used to grow here. Okay, staple means it is nothing but the food that they eat much. Okay, staple food. What is the staple food of India or is Tamil Nadu? Tell me, what is our staple food which should we eat much every day?
Idli.
Rice.
Okay, how to prepare idli? With the help of prepare idli. Rice is the staple food of our country. Rice and wheat are the staple food of our country. Okay, we used to do paddy, we used to cultivate paddy and we used to get rice from that, and we used to eat rice as the main food item. That is called a staple food. Okay, clear? And the next is rainforests provide a lot of woods. Okay, and the families, so some families have thatched woods. With the help of, as there are much plants and trees are there, they used to live in a thatched houses. Okay, which was made by woods. Okay, the houses that are made by woods. Okay, they used to live there. And life of people, those who are living in Amazon, becoming very harder and keep on changing. Why it is keep on changing means, as the helicopters and aeroplanes are frequently visiting there, because of wildlife photographers were keep on coming for their profession, they used to discover that place. So automatically what happens, the forest, they have started constructing roads inside the forest, that also affect the flora and fauna that are living there, and also they also affect the people. This developmental activities only started decreasing the area of the rainforest. Even nowadays we are not having that much of area. At the beginning it was much, but now we don't have that much of area. So this destruction process causes somehow barren land in the area also. Barren land means that is not useful for even for agriculture, and also not cultivating anything. Okay, so that is also happening. And let us move on to the next one. This is what we have seen about Amazon rainforest, which is in tropical region. Okay, now we are going to see about subtropical region. Okay, the Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. Okay, which is in India. Okay, so here it's very simple and easy, because Ganga and Brahmaputra basin is nothing but that is a fertile alluvial soil. Which soil is called as alluvial means, it's simply that the soil that are around a river. Okay, that is called as alluvial soil because that is rich in moisture, okay, and fertility. So those are called as alluvial soil. So where it lies, ma'am, see the map. Okay, the center line that passes is topic of Cancer equator, and you just see where the green area is the Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. This is a very large plain in India, and this is also we called as Sundarban Delta. This is the largest delta in our India too, in ancient continent. Okay, already we have seen. So this is a even this has very large population density also higher here. What do you mean by population density means? Okay, let me explain you. It is nothing. Population density means number of people living in per square kilometer. That is 1 square kilometer. Okay, number of people living in 1 square kilometer is called as population density. So according to that calculation, we could see this Ganga and Brahmaputra basin has dense population. Many number of people are living here because of this fertile soil, and also we are having wildlife sanctuaries also here. Okay, this is what the special thing about this subtropical region in India. So, what are all the river tributaries are there? Like Gangra, the Sun, the Chambal, the Gangtok, the Kosi, and tributaries of Brahmaputra also drain here. And where it is lies, okay, 10-degree north and 30-degree north, as India is lying in, yes,
Ma'am, my voice is audible to you, ma'am.
just now it is audible, my dear. Earliest it was not audible properly. Okay,
I have
so
told.
okay, no issues, so no issues. You see, 10-degree north, as India is lying in northern hemisphere, 10-degree north and 30 degrees south. Okay, between that only our Ganga and Brahmaputra basin is lying. Okay, you could come to know here. See, 30-degree north, and from 10-degree north to 30-degree north, between that area only it is lying. Okay, as it is in northern hemisphere. And uh, this line is under the foothills of Himalayas, even we could say. This river Brahmaputra is known as different names in different places. Okay, you cannot, you just find those things, okay, by learning it. So, Himalayas and the Sundarban Delta are the main features of this basin. We will be having oxbow lakes. Oxbow lakes means we know very well it has zigzag structure. Okay, we have already seen about it, and this has even what is the speciality of our India means it has monsoon climate, so that only we are having various type of agriculture we can do here. Okay, that is monsoon climate is a very good climate, that is special about India, why we are having this much of vegetation, natural vegetation here. So monsoon brings rains from mid-June to mid-September, and summers are hot, winters are so cold. Because winters are cold, because we are it is lying under the foothills of Himalayas, no. So we will be experiencing much of cold during winter areas. So you just try to identify what are all the states lying around that basin, all those things. Okay, next class I will ask. I have given few tasks to you. What are the states that are lying in Tropic of Cancer, and now what are the states around Ganga and Brahmaputra basin, and what are the different names of Brahmaputra river. Okay, all these three things you keep in mind. Okay, so the basin is very varied topography, and topography means is nothing but the location. How does it spreads from the place to place? Okay, the environment plays a dominant role in the distribution of the population. As I told you, the soil is very fertile. Much the people are keep on living there is very high. That population, which means population density is high, since it is plain area. Okay, it is flat plain area, so we'll be having very high population density. The main crop that is, as you know, it is paddy. That because of heavy rain and monsoon climate, paddy will be keep on growing here. And more than that, wheat, maize. Okay, sorghum means is nothing but it's corn. It's a type of corn. Okay, and gram, millets or keep will be also grown here. And cash crops like sugarcane and jute are also will be grown here. And banana plantation is also plantain trees. That is banana plantain trees means what? Plantain, which means vaഴമരം. Vaഴമരം is called as plantain tree. Okay, so silk production is also high here because using
plantain, ma'am.
same thing, plantain trees. Okay, plantain means vaഴമരം.
Plantain means where which tree is used, which trees all parts of its.
Yes, Yes. Okay. Here you just come to know here, silk production is this is called as sericulture. 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 What does it mean, ma'am? Means it is nothing but the production of silk from silkworm is called as sericulture. Okay. This is a thing that you wanted to know about it. Okay, and terrace forming, all those see, it is similar to our side area. Okay, tea garden in Assam, paddy cultivation is or the major things that will grow here. And this is tropical deciduous trees. That is, as you know, since we are experiencing monsoon climate, deciduous means falling of leaves from the plants. Okay, that season also there in India. Okay, and mangrove forest. Okay, Usi like article mangrove forest. We all could see experience in Pichavaram. If you go to Chidambaram, visit Pichavaram to learn about mangrove forest. Okay, so terraces or see, it is under the foothills of Himalayas, no? So we will be having terrace forming. Okay, that is step-like structure. Okay, if you see Ooty, Kodaikanal, you could see step-like cultivation will be there because it's on the hills. They used to construct in that way. Okay, and there are variety of wildlife in this basin: elephants, tigers, deers, monkeys. All those things will, all those animals will be there. One-horned rhinoceros or living here. And this is what the chapter is. And here Ganga, there are big towns are there like Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna, and Kolkata. Those are the major cities that are all around our Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. So this is very good and rich in tourism spot also. Okay, so in order to preserve this Ganga, we are speaking about lot about Ganga and Brahmaputra, and we know it's a perennial. It's a perennial river, isn't it? Because throughout the year the water will be there. Okay, seasonal river means we will be getting seasonal water flow, but Ganga will be having throughout the year there will be water flow is there. Since it's a perennial river that is not pure. Okay, the water is not pure, it is dumped with a lot of waste. Okay, so those also should be polluted. Most polluted river, one of the most polluted river is Ganga. So in order to preserve it, we are having Ganga Namami scheme has initiated to get purest water from Ganga. And also Kolkata is an important port. Port means that is like Thuraimugam we used to say, no, it is an important area business trade for the business trade in Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. It's in river Hooghly. Okay, and it is good. It has Buddhist stupas and in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. It is around the places that are all tourist places that are all around Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. And we will be having forest also, Kaziranga. Okay, Kaziranga and Manas, that are the wildlife sanctuary that also found around Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. Because of its fertility, we will be having these much of things. Okay, so this is about the subtropical region of that is Ganga and Brahmaputra region. Tropical region is Amazon basin, and subtropical region we have seen here is Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. And I have given 1 marks as this book back 1 marks as assignment, which will be sent to you in WhatsApp. Just go through it, complete it, and I have given 3 questions for as your development of your knowledge. Complete that. Next session I will ask you. Okay, so
Ma'am,
sericulture I told you.
extra question, no, ma'am.
Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
surely I will ask. Okay, this spelling for
Can I
sericulture.
tell the answer, ma'am?
Yes, dear. I think the time is up. Those who have completed in chat box, you can leave. If you have doubts, kindly wait. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, can I
Shankaram,
tell the answer, ma'am?
now you can speak, Shankaram.
Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand,